Glock pistols are synonymous with innovation, renowned for their groundbreaking design and widespread adoption by law enforcement and civilians alike. Created by Austrian engineer Gaston Glock, these handguns are celebrated for their reliability, simplicity, and polymer frames. With a diverse range of models, Glock offers solutions for self-defense, duty use, and competition, solidifying their status as a benchmark in modern firearm technology and a favorite choice among shooters. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 9. Glock 17. A legendary and iconic pistol that has set the standard for reliability and simplicity in the world of handguns. Chambered in 9mm, the Glock 17 is celebrated for its remarkable durability and ease of use. Its polymer frame, known for its strength and lightweight properties, offers a comfortable grip and resistance to corrosion. The Glock Safe Action System ensures consistent, safe, and predictable trigger pulls shot after shot. With a standard 17 plus 1 round capacity, it provides ample firepower for various applications, including law enforcement and self-defense. Whether you're a professional user or a civilian seeking a dependable and widely respected pistol, the Glock 17 stands as a symbol of innovation and excellence, setting a new standard for performance and reliability in the world of handguns. Number 8. Glock Gen 5. The latest evolution of the iconic Glock pistol that incorporates several enhancements based on user feedback and decades of experience. Available in various models and calibers, including the Glock 17 Gen 5, the Gen 5 series features improvements such as a flared magazine, for faster and more reliable reloads, an ambidextrous slide-stop lever for enhanced versatility, and a marksman barrel with enhanced rifling for improved accuracy. The Glock Gen 5 also retains the signature Glock Safe Action System for consistent and safe trigger pulls. With various models offering different capacities, the Gen 5 series provides options for a wide range of applications, from self-defense to competitive shooting. Whether you're a law enforcement officer, a competitive shooter, or a civilian seeking a reliable and enhanced Glock pistol, the Gen 5 series stands as a symbol of continuous improvement and excellence in the world of handguns. Number 7. Glock 30th. Chambered in 9mm, this special edition pistol pays homage to Glock's enduring legacy of reliability and performance. Featuring a sleek black finish with striking gold accents, the Glock 30th Anniversary pistol is as visually stunning as it is functional. With a standard 17-round magazine, it offers ample firepower for a variety of shooting scenarios. Each pistol is engraved with a unique serial number and includes special edition packaging, making it a collector's dream. Whether you're a Glock enthusiast, a competitive shooter, or simply appreciate the significance of 30 years of groundbreaking firearms, the Glock 30th Anniversary Limited Edition stands as a symbol of Glock's enduring commitment to excellence and innovation in the world of handguns, setting a new standard for commemorative firearms. Number 6. Glock 26 Gen 5. A compact and versatile pistol that combines the legendary reliability of Glock with the latest innovations. Chambered in 9mm, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is designed for concealed carry and personal defense. It features a more comfortable grip texture and the signature Glock Safe Action System, ensuring consistent and safe trigger pulls. The flared magwell aids in faster and more reliable reloads, and the reversible magazine catch accommodates left-handed shooters. With a 10 plus 1 round capacity, it provides ample firepower in a small package. Number 5. Glock 45. A versatile and innovative pistol designed to meet the demands of law enforcement and civilian shooters alike. Chambered in 9mm, the Glock 45 combines the compact slide of the Glock 19 with the full-size frame of the Glock 17, providing a balanced and adaptable firearm. It features a flared magwell for efficient reloads, and the Glock Safe Action System ensures reliable and consistent trigger pulls. The modular backstrap system allows for a customizable grip to suit different hand sizes. With a 17 plus 1 round capacity, it offers ample firepower for various applications. Whether you're a law enforcement professional, a civilian seeking a dependable self-defense pistol, or a competitive shooter, the Glock 45 stands as a symbol of versatility and performance, setting a new standard for handguns in the world of firearms. Number 4. Glock 43, a subcompact and ultra-concealable pistol chambered in 9mm. The Glock 43 is designed for those seeking a discreet and easily concealable self-defense firearm. With its slim profile and single-stack magazine, it's perfect for concealed carry, fitting comfortably inside holsters and pockets. The Glock 43 maintains the reliability and safety features synonymous with the Glock brand, including the signature safe action trigger system. It offers a 6+1 round capacity, providing adequate firepower while remaining highly compact. Whether you're a civilian looking for a dependable concealed carry option or a law enforcement professional seeking a backup firearm, the Glock 43 stands as a symbol of reliability and concealability, setting a new standard for subcompact pistols in the world of firearms. Number 3. Glock 41, a powerful and accurate pistol chambered in 45 ACK. Designed for those who appreciate the stopping power of the 45 caliber round, the 41 Gen 4 is optimized for accuracy and reliability. It features a longer barrel and slide for improved sight radius and enhanced precision, making it a favorite among competitive shooters and enthusiasts alike. The Glock Safe Action System ensures consistent and safe trigger pulls. With a 13+1 round capacity, it offers substantial firepower while maintaining Glock's renowned reliability. Whether you're a competition shooter, a law enforcement professional, or a civilian who values the 45 ACK round, the Glock 41 Gen 4 stands as a symbol of accuracy and power, setting a new standard for large-frame pistols in the world of firearms. Number 2. Glock 45 MOS, a versatile and adaptable pistol designed for optimal performance and customization. Chambered in 9mm, the Glock 45 MOS combines the compact slide of the Glock 19 with the full-size frame of the Glock 17, offering a balanced and versatile platform. What sets the Glock 45 MOS apart is the modular optic system, MOS, which allows for easy mounting of various red dot optics to enhance target acquisition and accuracy. It features a flared magwell for efficient reloads and maintains Glock's signature safe action trigger system for consistent and safe shooting. With a 17+1 round capacity, it provides ample firepower. Whether you're a law enforcement professional, a competitive shooter, or a civilian seeking customization options, the Glock 45 MOS stands as a symbol of versatility and performance, setting a new standard for handguns in the world of firearms. Number 1. Durability of Glock. These firearms are constructed with precision and rigorously tested to withstand extreme conditions and intensive use. The polymer frame, known for its robustness, resists corrosion and offers excellent impact resistance. Glock barrels and slides are treated with advanced finishes, enhancing their resilience against wear and tear. Their simple, yet effective, safe action system minimizes the number of components, reducing the chances of malfunctions. Glock pistols have a reputation for firing thousands of rounds without malfunction, which is why they are trusted by military, law enforcement, and civilians alike. Whether exposed to harsh environments or subjected to relentless training, Glock's durability remains unmatched, reaffirming its status as a symbol of reliability and toughness in the world of firearms.